Hello everyone, welcome to the new video in the series of Backup Exec16. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can configure cloud storage within Azure by using the cloud connector of Backup Exec16. If you've been using Backup Exec in the new series, they have added new features, and one of the feature that they have included is the cloud connectors for Azure. And one of the prerequisite for this tutorial is that you should have already configured the storage. So if I go onto my Azure portal, you can see that I have created the storage with the name Girish Azure Storage. If you're using for the first time, you can go and create an account. For the first 30 days it's free, there is no charge for that one, and you can try that out with a Backup Exec, which is also free for trial for 60 days. So let's get started. So I am on the user interface. So as you can see, this is the central admin server of Backup Exec16. The first thing you want to do is that you need to create an account. You can go to the configuration and setting, and under the login account you can go to manage login accounts and click add. The username and password it is asking is the username and the password that you have created, or the access key that you have generated when you created the account on the Azure platform. So what I'm going to do is that I will go to the Azure platform and I will copy and paste those credentials over here. So as you can see that I have pasted the access key as well as the username, and I will give the account name. Let's give it Azure, and you hit OK. So the account has been added. So what we'll do is that we'll come out of this one. The next step you want to perform is you want to configure the storage now. So let's get that done. Let me make it full screen. So what you want to do under the storage, you can go to configure storage and select next. It is a network storage and a cloud-based storage, and here you can give the name. I'll give the name Azure Storage and select next and select Azure, and in the server name you'll give the server name for Azure. So it's going to be Azure column azure.com, and in the login account will be the account that we just created, and you select next. You select next again, and here you can configure how many concurrent operations you want to run. So let's move it to 4. You select next and you get a brief summary of whatever the selections that you have made, and you hit finish. So the reason being that a lot of people, they are moving from on-prem to the cloud storage. There are two main reasons for that one. One is the scalability and the flexibility, so you don't have to pay anything in upfront. It is basically pay as you go. And the other thing is that people, they want to have the options for backing up to the tape, right? When they have to back up to the tape, and then they have to transport that to an offsite location. So these cloud connector within Backup Exec16 is a great way of moving the data from on-prem to the cloud. So you select OK. So we need to restart the services. So let me just restart the services. Select yes. Just want to add over here that though this tutorial is for the Azure, but the procedure will be same in case you want to create a cloud storage within Amazon as well as the Google. Backup Exec16 has the cloud connectors for all these 3 vendors, so it's a great way of moving the data from on-prem to the cloud. So it's just restarting the services, so we'll just wait for a moment. here we go. So as you can see that under the central admin server we have our Azure storage, and it shows it's online. And if I double click on this one, it gives me all the properties on this one. And if you want to now run the backups, you can do. So what we'll do is that we'll leave that to the next video. And I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.